Now, this category, quite obviously, honours the achievements of organisations who have successfully planned and executed a sustainability initiative through the use of technology.
The category is a new one this year, and we are presenting to the inaugural winners tonight, which makes it just that little bit more special. Creating a more equitable and sustainable New Zealand is something our business firmly believes in, which is why we jumped at the chance to be involved. We believe that by working together and collectively making small incremental improvements, we can craft solutions that lead to better social, environmental and economic outcomes for our country and for our world. The finalists for the 2020 Sustainability Through Technology Award are Genesis Energy, Southern Cross Health Society, Tonkin and Taylor, and NZ Energy. And the winner is Southern Cross Health Society.
Sustainability of our membership, sustainability of our people, and sustainability of technology all really came together for us this year. To have come together in such a short amount of time to be able to give back to our members money that they really truly needed at a time where even our own people were facing their own challenge is an amazing feat. So, you know, at Southern Cross we're with you, and this was a great proof point of us telling you all how we are supporting you through this. So thank you for tonight. Thank you to our teams. We couldn't be happier.